on top of the grass as they complete the first lap. Jenkins has saved that, but he's down in third place. Fourth is Ryan Smith. Fifth is Reece Collins. Sixth, Martin Gibson. Seventh, Terry Gibbon. Eighth, Shane Brereton. Ninth, Stuart Oliver. 10th, Luke Taylor. And at the back, John Newell. Yeah, Jenkins looking to try to